Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make watercolor leaves seamless pattern. We will be using a square canvas that is 300 dpi. I will be using this heavy paint round brush that is on my watercolor brush pack. I will put the link below. If you're also interested in this color palette, I will also put the link on the description. Now let's start to draw our first leaf branch. This brush is pressure sensitive, so you can just use a light pressure when starting and ending your leaf. Now I'm making a new layer for our new set of leaves. Also choosing a new subtle color for this one. I am making this set more rounder and shorter than the previous one we did. This is similar with the first one we did, except that this is in a different angle and in a different color. Now let's arrange these first 3 leaves on our canvas. Let's make a new set in this area. This time, let's draw a set that is similar to a eucalyptus leaves. Make sure to turn off the snapping and magnetics so that it will be easier for you to transform the image. Now it's time to duplicate our leaf branches to fill in the space. Let's merge the duplicates by pinching the two layers together. And then let's put them all in one group. Let us duplicate this group. Make sure that your snapping and magnetics setting is on. One group would be slide to the left, and the other group will be slide to the right. Make sure you see the orange guides at the middle and the sides before you lift your pen up. Let's merge the leaves with the same design on each group. Let us repeat the process, but this time, we will slide each group top and bottom. Here, I created a new layer to draw random small leaves to fill up the spaces. In here, I'm filling up the empty spaces as much as possible. Let's draw some mini pink flowers just to give a pop of color on our design. If you're already happy and satisfied with your design's overall look, you can merge down all the layers and duplicate them to 4. Make sure that your snapping and magnetics settings are on. For our first layer, let us transform it from bottom up to the upper right corner. Next, from top to lower right corner. The third layer, from lower corner to the upper left corner. And then for the last layer, from top right corner to the lower left corner. Make sure that you see those orange snapping guides. And that's it. We have our leaves seamless pattern done in Procreate. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment your thoughts. I'd love to hear them. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!